Because of the disturbance that happened at Snappy.
Who called the disturbance?
I saw it. I unviewed it. Sir?
This is my car. I'm not a sir. I'm a ma'am.
Yeah. What'd you say?
Rephrase yourself.
You said you were pulling me over for what? Disturbing her? A disturbance?
Yes.
That's not a traffic violation.
You
What
almost hit
disturbance?
the lady with the car.
Check it, come on. It is locked. See, you're trying to unlawfully open the door. No, I'm not gonna unlock it.
If you don't open the door, I'm going to drag it out of this car.
In today's video, we're about to witness a familiar performance. A police officer doing what he does best, lying straight through his teeth, and then immediately calling over his buddy on the right for backup. Things escalate quickly as they begin threatening to pull the driver out of the vehicle, but this time it's not going to be that easy. The driver and the passenger, like his own sister, refuse to go along with it. And for good reason. This officer blatantly made things up, accusing the driver of nearly running someone over, even claiming he saw it with his own eyes. But that's not all. You definitely don't want to miss the ending, because what this officer says next is so unbelievable you'll have to hear it twice to believe it.
I'm gonna start recording. What was the reason for pulling me over?
Negative. 402. This was part of a disturbance. The other subject said Snappies. Can you check by?
What was the
Because of the disturbance that happened at Snappies.
who called the disturbance?
I saw it. I unviewed it.
Okay, but you said but that's not a traffic violation. You pulled me over.
Because I'm investigating that disturbance that you
What
almost hit the
disturbance?
lady with the car.
I'm with the car.
What'd you say?
This is my car.
Sir?
This is my car. I'm not a sir. I'm a ma'am.
Yeah. What'd you say?
Rephrase yourself.
I know my laws. You said you were pulling me over for what? Disturbing her? A disturbance?
Yes.
That's not a traffic violation. That is not a traffic violation at all.
Doesn't have to be.
It does.
No.
It does. I know my laws. I know my laws. That is not.
That's like number 3.
Yeah. That is not. Yep. Check the insurance.
it's my
Check
car.
it out. Yep. Check it. Check it. Come on. It is locked. See, you're trying to unlawfully open the door. No, I'm not gonna unlock it.
If you don't open the door, I'm going to drag it out of this car.
I can hear you.
Sir?
I can hear you.
I can't hear you.
I can. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can. Hey, yeah, you heard me. You just heard me.
Listen, real quick.
You said
all
a disturbance.
Because you're right about what you think, you're wrong.
It's not what I think.
You just said it.
Thinking comes from not knowing.
You just said it.
Thinking comes from not knowing.
Yeah.
Thinking comes from not knowing. Sir, you cannot do that.
If you don't do it, I'll open it.
You cannot
No,
do
you
that.
won't.
You cannot, because
No, you
you're being
won't.
recorded, and I will have my sister my phone.
We're
This is
both
recording,
we're
the
both
car's
recorded.
I know, but you can delete that. You can't delete this.
You can't delete any of our stuff.
Look,
Yes,
you
I
said it was a
can.
disturbance. This is not a traffic violation. What did you pull me
I'm
over
not
for?
here.
What did you pull me over for, Mr.
Just
Lara?
because you assumed something.
Yeah,
I told you.
You assumed
a traffic violation. I said, what did you?
You almost hit the lady with.
I did not
That's
hit
a
her.
lie. You
That is a
You
lie.
just lied.
almost-
Okay, when to go call her. Go
I'm
call her.
recording
We're
you.
working on it.
Go call. Oh, then work on it. When
Okay,
she
well,
comes
then
over
go work
here
on it.
and she confirms that I did not hit her.
You just lied. I'm recording
Yeah,
you.
you're lying. You're lying. You are lying.
You are
Do-
lying
no,
to
Do you
both
have your
of
driver's
y'all.
license or an ID? 'Cause that is
I
gonna
have it
arrest
on-
both
I
of you.
just told him. I didn't have it. I did tell him I didn't have it.
Say again?
I just told him I didn't have it, but I'm answering no more questions because I asked him
He is
what was the
so-
reason for pulling me over.
That lady, she's wearing a red shirt, went inside a snap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
realize that
You're assuming that I almost hit that woman,
Both
right?
of y'all are.
You're assuming.
I saw you.
No, you're assuming.
You just changed
Well, then
your
go call her.
whole- You just
Go
changed-
call her and then ask her if I
Yeah.
almost hit her.
You just changed your whole.
Go. Now I'm asking no more questions.
Okay.
I'm answering no more questions. I know my rights. I could record you. Trust
I'm
me.
recording
Record all
too.
day long.
Yes, I can.
I'm recording.
What is your badge number?
My badge number, you'll get that in a little bit.
No, you have to give it to me by law. By law, you're supposed to give me your badge number.
Okay, what law? is
Oh, so you're laughing.
that? What law is that?
What-
I get this
Let
a
me
lot.
call- Let me call.
Come
my
on,
boy.
you don't know your law?
I do.
6 weeks
you don't,
of,
bitch.
of, of,
No,
of
you
police
don't.
training?
That's all? Just 6 weeks?
That's all you had. I know
No,
you
you
did.
don't, bitch.
Mr. Kent, but you don't have a badge number? You know what?
I'm recording that bitch ass too.
I really hate to damage your property.
I
You
wish
can.
you would, bitch. I wish you would.
Yeah, there's insurance on here and you
Bitch,
will pay for
I
that.
wish you would, bitch.
Yep, and yeah, look at the tags, Mr. Kent.
I wish you would.
It's all up to date.
I wish you would.
You said I almost hit that lady? That's a lie.
That's a lie. You just changed up your whole story, bitch.
You just made something up, Mr. Laura.
What did I?
Your call has been forwarded to an automated.
You just made up a lie. Yeah, recording
You
you.
just lied.
You just lied.
Record,
Woo!
bitch.
You just lied.
I'm gonna grab my spikes, put them across.
I wish you would.
Go ahead, Mr. Kent, Mr. Laura.
Okay.
Go call the lady.
Yeah.
Go call the lady y'all said I almost hit.
Officer over there, her. Don't worry.
Yeah,
Hey,
go
talk
for
to me. I'm right here. I'm the owner.
Mm-hmm.
This is my
He
car.
didn't see
He
you.
didn't know. He did. Yeah, he did. He seen me.
I can guarantee you this. If this driver wasn't recording, he would have already been dragged out of the car by now. The vehicle could have been damaged, and who knows how much more harm these two might have suffered. And this is exactly why knowing your rights is absolutely crucial. Always be ready to pull out your phone and record every interaction, every encounter with law enforcement, especially with those who act like this. The abuse of power, the dangerous behavior, and the blatant lies. All of it is aimed at one thing: crossing the line to get what they want, whenever they want.
Hey, hey, tell mama this bitch ass cop or whatever over here trying to arrest us or whatever, changing his whole
Story. Yep.
and trying to damage my fucking car, trying to take my brother to jail. Him and this white motherfucker.
They just said I try to hit somebody.
Yeah, he just
I
said
can't
that
hear
we're
her.
trying to hit somebody.
You can hear me.
I can hear you. I can't hear
You
her.
can hear me.
Yeah, you can, bitch.
Yeah, you can.
'Cause you see me on this side.
Come on, bro.
I can
Come on,
see
brother.
that.
Come on, brother.
Hello?
Come on. Let's not play that. I know my law.
Hello?
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. You don't. Come on.
Pull volume up. These cops over here trying
Trying to say that I hit somebody.
trying to say that Rob almost hit somebody.
I
or
said
whatever.
call the witness.
Or whatever.
Call the
I
witness.
think he said they're gonna
here
try to
comes now.
damage my car. I said I wish you would, bitch.
Call the witness. Did I try to hit her?
gonna damage our car.
The cops.
They said that I tried to hit somebody.
Yeah, they said the Mexican cop over here saying that he was trying to hit somebody. And he was trying to investigate. I said, well, go ahead and do it then.
No, I
And
said
then the
no.
white dude,
Listen. I said, what is a reasonable cause to pull me over?
They have no reason. They don't have a reason.
I did not commit a traffic violation.
And then the
I did
white
not
cop,
commit a traffic
'cause they're
violation.
being racist. The white
No,
cop over here
you need to
on the,
listen.
On the driver's side, said
Yeah, don't
"We're gonna
worry.
damage your
Don't
car."
worry.
I said, I wish you would.
Good side.
You
I
don't
wish
worry.
you would. Now the other one's over there. I said, I have insurance. I got everything in my car. I have nothing.
You trying to say I hit somebody, or he's
They're
trying to
over
say I
there
hit somebody?
trying to sue my
Get the
dad.
witness.
I mean, you want to
Oh,
get
we're
right.
trying-
Get the
Yeah,
witness.
evidence.
Get the witness. And ask her if I try to hit her.
I'm gonna stay here with you right now.
You don't have to.
Yeah.
You can go over there. You
That
protect and
white
serve
dude,
me.
that white motherfucker,
You're a public servant.
Because I'm gonna be racist now.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yes,
Calm down.
absolutely.
Calm
bitch.
down. Calm down.
No, that pissing me off.
No.
I wish they would.
You okay?
I'm good. That's my
Calm
brother,
down.
Make sure
bitch.
you're okay.
Calm. I
He
know.
knew because he
I know
was
my laws.
on the left side.
And I know he's lying.
And he was smiling.
He said I tried to hit
He asked
somebody.
me in the
Call
first
that law.
place if I was okay.
But you tell me.
My
You're the
brother.
officer.
I have.
You're supposed to answer that question. Answer that,
I'm
officer.
gonna go to jail for my-
Answer
my
that.
brother.
Answer that. You are the officer, not me.
No
Now
statute
they're trying to
that
say
says
that Robert was trying to run over
that
somebody.
I have to only have a traffic violation.
You have to
for an
have
officer.
reasonable or articulable suspicion that I was about to commit a crime or committed a crime.
Ooh, I'm just gonna go.
You right?
Closest one yet. I'll give you that.
Yeah. Did I commit a crime?
You're close.
Did I commit a crime?
Say again.
And now-
Reasonable or articulable suspicion that I am about to or have committed a crime.
Running around, don't know how to do.
Did I commit a crime?
You tell me. You just answered it.
No, I'm not telling you. You say I'm committing a crime.
I didn't say that.
Oh, you're right. Mr. Laura over there said that I was about to or commit a crime. Now, did I? Did I? Did I? He called you.
You answered your own question.
No, you answered your own question. Dumb fuck.
For real. Shit.
And the officer is supposed to remain.
Remain?
Yeah. What?
Remain
What?
what?
Yeah. I'm asked. That was a question.
I don't know what you're quoting.
Oh Lord Jesus.
He's
Oh
stupid
Lord
as
Jesus.
fuck.
You're dumb. 6 weeks in the academy don't do nothing for
For
you.
real.
You got that wrong.
No, we don't, bitch. Hey, why
Calm
you?
down.
Hey, why
Calm
you just?
down.
Hey, why
Calm
you just
down.
interacting with my brother, bitch? You came
Calm
around
down.
and didn't say nothing.
Calm down,
Shit.
pony. Calm down.
You
calm
don't know
down.
me.
That calm down. Calm
Where you
down.
from anyway?
Don't worry about that. I'm answering no questions
Okay.
until y'all could prove that I actually tried to run somebody over. Did I try to run somebody over? Did I try to run somebody over?
They have to bring a witness.
They have to bring the
They don't
witness.
have nobody. That other dude was saying that he was. They were trying to get all the what
Get the
evidence.
witness. Come
They
on,
don't
calm
have
down.
nothing.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Pony, let him talk.
Calm down. Calm down. Did I try to run
Hey,
somebody
keep
over?
your hands off my car, bitch.
Hey, calm down. Calm
No,
down. Calm
he
down.
needs to keep his hands off my car. He has
Calm
no
down.
right for that.
He hasn't told me. What's your badge number, sir? Your name and your badge number?
You can see my name.
I need you to give it to
He
me.
said no, he won't.
When
give it
I
because
ask
you can
about on
see it.
request,
Listen,
by
listen,
law,
listen.
by yes,
Yes,
okay.
you do. Yes, you do.
Calm down.
Ooh.
You're supposed to provide your badge, and your name.
Are you wanting to file a complaint?
I'm not. Yeah, I will if you don't.
Okay, I'll get it out to you.
I will file a complaint if you don't give me your badge
I'm calling my attorney
Right now, it's Officer Kent.
and your badge number.
Whichever you prefer.
And your badge number.
I'll give you that in a little bit.
No, you're supposed to give it to me now.
Hold on. let me-
You're a
let me call you
protective
back.
servant,
Protective servant? I
a
never
public servant. I'm sorry.
thank you.
I stand corrected.
It's all right.
I stand corrected.
No offense.
No, of course I don't take none. I don't take none until you doing your job.
No.
Please leave
No.
your message for
Me and my brother.
You heard the witness. Nothing's going on.
Medical.
Nothing's going on. You heard the witness.
They're trying to accuse us of trying to run over somebody, and they don't want to give it just the badge numbers and nothing like that or whatever. Over here by. Oh shit.
Oh, you heard the witness, Laura.
They saying we
You
can't
straight
do
lied.
this shit.
You straight lied.
Just hold on. Roll down.
No, I'm not.
I'm about to let you go.
I don't have to roll down the
I'm
window.
about to let you go. Just give me 1
Is
second.
that
Okay.
funky, chunky ass white
Okay.
Mexican?
Okay.
Whatever saying.
Okay.
Trying to on my roof of my car. Because I don't have to stop. I don't have to do that. I said, yes, you do. You have no right to stop us. You didn't tell us what was the reason you stopped trying to stop us. Hold on. Listen.
All right, Robert. You can go, but I'm gonna get some warrants for you. Okay?
Ah, bitch, whatever. You hear that threat? Threat.
What we've just witnessed is not just a routine traffic stop, it's a textbook example of abuse of power, twisting the truth, and deliberately fabricating reasons to justify wrongful actions. The officer keeps changing his story from almost hitting someone to investigating a disturbance, yet never provides any clear evidence. Even when a witness shows up and confirms that nothing actually happened, they still cling to their false narrative. Under the law, a valid traffic stop must be based on reasonable suspicion, meaning specific, articulable facts, not assumptions or imagination. Threatening to pull someone out of their vehicle, attempting to open the door without clear legal grounds, or refusing to provide identification when requested. All of these raise serious concerns about the legality of their actions. And that's exactly what makes this situation different.